Good morning, y'all. We are in Haiti today. We have 2 excursions planned. We have a little private island, and then we're also gonna go on this long zip line. I think it's long. I could be wrong. Yeah, that's what's on the agenda. It looks so pretty. Ooh. Anyways, you guys are obviously gonna come along with me on this journey, so strap on your sandals. Wow, we're here. Woo. Yes. We're here. What if a big megalodon just landed on this freaking island? I'm an island girl. We're just gonna walk around the island and explore. Yee! Oh my honey. We went swimming for a little bit, and now we're just resting and enjoying the sun and the fact that we're on land. We're doing our next excursion to the zip line. How exciting. I'm about to put this on. Verb. Mine was too big. That's why I asked you what color you got. I was like, there's no way you got black. See, you're supposed to get red. Let's give it green. We are waiting for the instruction video. And then we're gonna go zip lining. Get a massage, or we think it's a massage. Better be massage. We ended up not going. Yami and I ended up finding little ducks, so now we're on a mission to find more. And I think I've only found like 3 so far, and then like a tiny one, and a teeny one, and it was so cute. It's a cute little pink flamingo. We came back and got dressed. We're still gonna go find ducks after dinner, and today's white dinner attire, so I'm wearing this white dress. I'm really hungry, so hopefully they have something good. Also, at the end of the night, I'm gonna show you guys my little duck collection. Hey guys, we're at dinner. Our table got separated today because we took too long, but this is only for one day. Chico.